Hey Susan, have you ever pulled up to a staging area and the only shade you have is in the trailer's actual shadow?
Yes, many, many times. I wish we had an awning.
Well, we're going to show you how we DIY'd our own awning for under $150. Let's go.
The first thing we did is we bought this sunshade. It is from a company called Nesso, and it is made for the beach, but we are going to show you how we made it for our trailer. So we bought these little magnetic carabiner hooks. They're very strong magnets, so I'm literally putting my entire weight on this and it's not budging. So very strong. That's gonna hold up to whatever. We also can never take them off because they're that strong. These actually came with the carabiner hook, and we traded out the two of the corners that have these rope sandbag things on them for these, so that two ends are gonna attach to our trailer. So the last part of this construction project is these 4 sandbags, and these have little Velcros to attach to poles. Let us know how you DIY'd your own awning for your horse trailer. And if you end up using this idea, tag us in it so we can see.